Hi, Mark. Are these your new shoes?
Yes, they are. They are black and blue.
Wow, they are very nice. Is that your bag, too?
No, it isn't. It is my brother's bag.
Oh, okay. Is your laptop in the bag?
Yes, it is. My laptop is small and black.
Cool. Are those your earphones?
No, they aren't. They are yours.
That's right. My earphones are new.
Is this your notebook?
Yes, it is. My notebook is blue.
And are these your glasses?
No, they aren't. My glasses are old. Those glasses are my mom's.
Oh, is that your smartphone on the table?
Yes, it is. It is new.
Nice. Is your book in your bag too?
No, it isn't. My book is at home.